You see me? Okay. Part 2 of the other video. No more adults. No homophobia. Of the homophobia journey. Accidentally cut the music off. What's wrong with you? Crack. How do you live that music? It's awesome. Oh, I thought you said, how do you live with that music? Without music. Oh. What's wrong with you? You have a crack or something, man. Why don't you tell me? Dude, that's my candy. Okay, you can take it. Damn, butter twitch! I'm gonna do this. Wake up! Come on, brush your makeup. I'm just so scared when you shake up. Bedtime again. You have any scared kids scaring kids? Not on that city. We need a moment. Shoot, over with Twitch. Pixie sticks. Got me popping pixie sticks. The magical dust. There you go. I wonder if that's hot. Touch it. You didn't touch it. Shut you. You didn't touch it. Right now. You didn't touch it. I don't want to. Camel. Use the camel. Is that on you? Malfunction. She took me out. Part 2's gonna be over. I know. This was stupid. It's funny though. I like to move it. Peanut butter tricks on my chin. Welcome in my syrup. How many more times you can make me scream? Oh my god, that sounds wrong. Screaming my head. She doesn't make me scream. Look at her butt. You can see her underwear line. You can see her underwear line. Yeah, man. See? That song was awesome. Butt.